How to download Canva on HP laptop or PC. First, open your browser on your laptop or PC, such as Chrome or Edge. In the search bar, type Canva Download and press Enter. From the search results, open the official website of Canva. Once the website opens, click on the Download option. Here, you will see the option to download Canva for Windows. Click on it, and the file will start downloading automatically. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and open the Canva setup file. A small installation window will appear. Once the installation is finished, open Canva and log in with your Google account or email account. Now you're ready to start designing anything you want. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Canva on your HP laptop or PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.